Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here, and welcome to episode 448 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Mastercard is developing a CBDC testing platform. Argo has seen a 280% revenue increase for the first half of this year, and Just Eat is introducing Bitcoin payments in France. But just before we dive into today's show, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And while you're at it, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com, such as the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as the Cannabis podcast, both of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so after coming short of securing support above $12,000 at the start of this month, Bitcoin has taken a couple of consecutive tumbles before stabilizing around its current trading price of about $10,250 US, according to data from CoinMarketCap. It has even dipped below $10,000 a couple of times in the past several days, part of a bearish trend that is widely associated with a stronger US dollar as of late. Reuters reports that Mastercard, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol MA, is developing a platform to facilitate virtual testing for central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. The platform enables the simulation of issuance, distribution, and exchange of central bank digital currencies between banks, financial service providers, and consumers, according to the report. Raj Damodaran, that's the Executive Vice President for Digital Asset and Blockchain Products at Mastercard, said in a statement, quote, "This new platform supports central banks as they make decisions now and in the future about the path forward for local and regional economies." End quote. UK-based crypto miner Argo blockchain, which trades on the LSE under the ticker symbol ARB, has reported a 280% increase in H1 revenue this year from 2019, despite Bitcoin's halving earlier in 2020, according to Cointelegraph. Additionally, the firm reported a 545% increase in Bitcoin mined over H1 2019. The company's CEO Peter Wall told Cointelegraph, quote, "The mining landscape, particularly since the halving in May, is obviously becoming more consolidated. In the post-halving world, it's no surprise that smaller and less efficient miners are struggling to compete due to the reduction in rewards and the increasing competitiveness." End quote. Decrypt reports that online food order and delivery service Just Eat, which trades on the LSE under the ticker symbol JET or JET, is now accepting Bitcoin payments for deliveries in France. The service extends to over 15,000 restaurants in the country and leverages BitPay as its payment provider. The company claims that it won't charge any fees for Bitcoin payments and that customers will need to create a digital wallet for transactions. Gregory Raymond, that's a writer for the French publication Capital, told Decrypt, quote, "Just Eat is a major player in the delivery of meals in France. This initiative could help to democratize the use of cryptocurrencies among the general public." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.